Scorpio reacts back at it with another reaction video. Video starts. Wait. Video is trying to start without me. Okay, video start right here.
Hey! Back the fuck up. Yo, bro! I'm not fucking around, man!
I'm sorry, dude.
You got me fucked up.
Dude, relax. It's just my allergies.
Lies. Chinese people don't get allergies. You got that Chinese Ebola thing.
The coronavirus? No, dude. I'm not even Chinese. I'm Korean.
Chinese, Koreanese, Japanese, it's all the same shit. You all look alike, for Christ's sake.
That is incredibly racist.
Is it though? I don't even know why TSA let y'all through. Won't let me take half a bottle of water on a plane, but gonna let through a family of diseased niggas with the potential of starting a zombie apocalypse. I don't fucking get it.
Where else are those families supposed to go?
Antarctica or Florida. Nobody gives a fuck about Florida. Florida don't even give a fuck about Florida.
Look, man,
Sneeze again. Sneeze again. I will blow your motherfucking head off your motherfucking head. Do it! Do it! Play with me! Play with me! I can't even get a happy ending at a massage parlor because of you motherfuckers!
Video's done right here. Okay. That was messed up. What's messed up? Florida don't give a about Florida. That messed up. That messed up. There are probably certain parts you've been at, but yeah, I care about me, my well-being and all that. I don't know about what he's talking about. But yeah, this also was a funny video. Talking about sneeze again. How you let? I can't get a bottle of water. Alright, tell me what y'all think down below. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Have a good day, weekend. Hey, you out of school. Stay up, watch anime. I don't know what you do. Just be chill. Bow.